I'm not a frontline worker or a healthcare provider, but it gives me an immense pleasure to be part of Amgen, to serve patients and to take care of people around the world. Hi, I'm Vaishali Rock. I am from India, working with Amgen Breda, which is located in the Brabant and Brainport Eindhoven region. I am working as a business system analyst for supply chain. I am part of the operations information systems department as a business analyst for supply chain, and at the same time I also support the daily operations with a team with packaging and distribution of medicines to them. It's rather difficult for me to quantify the impact that I have on the technology that I'm working on. However, every small effort or steps taken makes a huge difference in the long run. Therefore, serving the patients and making sure that the operations at the site are running smoothly without any downtime is the driving force for me and my team to get out of bed every single day. Additional to that, it's also bridging the gap between the business and technology to make sure that all our processes are efficient. I think that's a huge impact on the technology that I'm working on. The nature of work, the flexibility, collaborations with different departments and stakeholders, and also the interactions that I have with my management teams and the leadership teams is what drives me and keeps me motivated. I'm glad that Amgen actually provides me with such flexibility and opportunity. I work with a diverse group of employees with different backgrounds and nationalities. I'm also part of the Works Council, that is known as the Ondernemingsraad in Dutch. Additionally, I'm also part of the Diversity, Inclusion and Belonging Council at the Breda site. I've been working with multidisciplinary teams ever since I joined Amgen, and I'm very happy that Amgen has given me the opportunity to do so. And working with different teams, I get to learn from their experiences, also get the visibility with the higher management and learn from them. And at the same time, I also get an opportunity to share my experiences and my thoughts and put it across the table. So let me talk about what gives me energy with collaborating with my colleagues and people in my department. It's more about the learning experiences that we share with each other and expanding my knowledge in different and new topics.